Bengal remain on edge as post-poll violence leaves 3 days, with killing reported from Kolkata, Birbhum and North 24 Parganas. And the TMC and BJP trading blame over the incidents.
और लंबे समय से सत्ता में रही तृणमूल कांग्रेस अब विपक्ष की ओर चली गई है, लेकिन चुनावी जीत के बाद जिस तरीके से तस्वीरें सामने आ रही हैं, उन्होंने कानून व्यवस्था और राजनीतिक माहौल दोनों पर गंभीर सवाल खड़े कर दिए हैं। फिलहाल
Incidents of post-poll violence between Trinamool Congress and BJP leaders were reported from several parts of Bengal after it was announced that BJP was set to form the government in West Bengal for the first time ever. The violence took place even after the centre deployed a huge number of personnel from the centre armed police forces. Bengal is no stranger to post-poll violence. Here are the number of violent instances that took place after results were announced.
2 दिन पहले से इधर का जो टीएमसी लीडर है, हर आदमी को, बीजेपी का हर आदमी को कार्यकर्ता का धमका रहा था, तो हम लोग सभी कार्यकर्ता को मना किया था, कोई भी उसका फांद में पड़ा देने का नहीं। आज जब रिजल्ट निकला उसके बाद मैंने खुद हर कार्यकर्ता को मना किया था, जो कोई भी कार्यकर्ता कोई वायलेंस के ऊपर जानेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि मैं खुद इधर था। हम लोग इधर पार्टी जीतने के बाद जो लोग इधर खुशी मना रहा था, तो एक साथ मना रहा था। रात को इधर का पार्टी का कोई कार्यकर्ता नहीं, वो इधर का साधारण नागरिक है, उसका घर में चढ़ाव होकर उसको लाठी, बांस एवं क्रूर से मारा है। तो इसलिए पूरा का पूरा गांव का जो लड़का लोग है, जो इधर का माँ बहन है, सब निकला है। पुलिस प्रशासन को मैंने बोला है उसको अरेस्ट करने के लिए। पुलिस प्रशासन अभी तक कुछ किया नहीं, तो पुलिस प्रशासन अगर नहीं किया तो कल सुबह तक पूरा का गांव का लड़का एवं जो माँ बहन है, तो उसके ऊपर चढ़ाव होगा।
Due to the violence, 3 dead and dozens of injured. This is the West Bengal scenario 2 days after the election result declared. TMC said that 2 party members were killed in Beleghata in Kolkata and Nanur in Birbhum. Police are yet to confirm whether the deaths were linked to the politics. A senior police officer who asked not to be named said at least 2 cases were not political. The ECI has directed the state's Chief Secretary, Director General of Police and CAPFs deployed in the state to ensure zero tolerance towards post-poll violence in the state, said a senior polling official. Here is a family whose son has been killed by hitting, beating, and he was a supporter of BJP. What a painful, heartbreaking situation for the family who have lost their son just because he was a supporter of BJP. He was lying at home. Someone came and called him to come out. When he gone, he was being murdered. It was pre-planned. Oof! What an environment in West Bengal.
वो दोपहर को सो रहा था, ऐसे ही उसे बुला लिया।
किसने बुलाया था?
वो तो मुझे नहीं पता, पर तृणमूल का ही कोई है जो उसे बुलाया।
कितने लोग, किन लोगों ने ये किया?
मुझे नहीं, हाँ वही तो है।
Family members repeatedly saying that he was lying at home at afternoon. Somebody came from the Trinamool party and called him out. And when he gone out, he have been brutally murdered. The ECI has directed the state's Chief Secretary, Director General of Police and CAPF deployed to the state to ensure zero tolerance towards the post-poll violence in the state, said a senior polling official. Here the publics are demanding the justice for every victim, the every death of that violence. According to sources, 3 has been died and dozens has been injured due to the violence. First day after winning, the celebration has started. But after 2 days, the violence has taken place, extremely gone to murder over murder. See you again with another special news. Take care. Jai Hind.